Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your LA Fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your contract. Step 1. Review your membership agreement to understand the cancellation policy, including any contract length requirements and potential early termination fees. Step 2. Determine if you're still within a commitment period. If you have a contract term remaining, you may need to pay a cancellation fee to end the membership early. Step 3. Visit your home LA Fitness location in person to cancel. LA Fitness typically requires in-person cancellation or a certified letter rather than online cancellation. Step 4. Bring a valid photo ID to verify your membership and identity. This is required for all membership changes. Step 5. Go to the membership desk and inform the staff that you want to cancel your membership. They will provide you with a cancellation form. Step 6. Fill out the cancellation form completely, providing your name, member ID, contact information, and reason for cancelling if requested. Step 7. Review all cancellation terms carefully, including when your final payment will be processed and when your access to the gym will end. Step 8. Sign and submit the completed form to the staff member. Request a signed and dated copy of the cancellation form for your records. Step 9. If cancelling by certified mail, send a letter to your club's address stating your intent to cancel, include your member ID and contact information, and request written confirmation. Step 10. Monitor your bank or credit card statements to ensure no charges occur after the cancellation becomes effective. Contact LA Fitness immediately if you notice any unauthorized charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.